Hello students, very good morning to all. Today we would like to proceed our same chapter, the alien planet, the green movements rule. And you know it very well that its author is Nani Palkhiwala. Okay, today we will make it continue from page number 45. Okay, so let's start. And all of you must have copy and pen. Because of this you can note down all the significant quotation words related to the chapter. Okay, now let's start. Article, it means page number 45. Okay, Article 48A of the Constitution of India provides that the state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forests and wildlife of the country. It means in the year 1976, right? In the year 1976, by 42 constitutional amendment 48A added 1976 में 42nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट हुआ, 42वां संविधान संशोधन किया गया और उसी में 48A आर्टिकल ऐड किया गया. ओके, एडिशनल एनालिसिस हुआ आर्टिकल 48. एंड व्हाट आर्टिकल 48A प्रोवाइड्स टू state or Indian citizen. 48A of the Constitution of India provides that the state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forests and wildlife of the country. It means the state will make effort to ensure the safety of environment as well as safeguard safety for wildlife and forest of the entire nation, entire country. It means Article 48A provides that the state shall make effort for the safety of environment as well as for wildlife and forest of the country. राज्य पर्यावरण के संवर्धन सुरक्षा हेतु प्रयास करेगा, प्रयत्न करेगा और देश के जंगलों और जंगली जीवों की रक्षा सुरक्षा हेतु प्रयास और कोशिश करेगा. ओके, आई नो व्हाट इज मीन ऑफ दिस statement, what is the sense of this article, understood you all. Okay, next thing, but what causes endless anguish is the fact that laws are never respected nor enforced in India. It means there is a matter which give endless pain, endless sorrow, that laws are never respected nor enforced in India. Why does the writer note down this kind of sentence? He collected experience amongst the people, okay, so that he note down. It means most of the people don't like to follow constitution, don't like to follow rule and regulation. They feel goodwill while break the rule and regulation. India has made laws but no avail. The people frequently cut the trees and hunt as well as kill the animals to fulfill their requirements, to complete their needs. Okay. Next thing, for instance, the commission, for instance means example, for example, the constitution says that caste, untouchability and bonded labor shall be abolished, but they flourish shamelessly even after 44 years of the operation of the constitution. It means by the constitution it has been suggested at the fixed time, at the fixed duration, the casteism, जातिवाद, untouchability, छुआछूत, bonded labor, बदमा मजदूरी shall be removed. All these kind of issues shall be abolished at all. But all these kind of issues are going on, flowering on up to now. It is a matter of sorrow for all of us that the 44 years has been passed. It is as per 1994. Okay. A recent report of our Parliament's estimates committee has highlighted the near catastrophic depletion of India's forest over the last 4 decades. It means a recent report, a current report which was published, revealed, disclosed by the estimate committee of Parliament. And throughout this report, the depletion of forest has been published. What is the situation of, what is the rate of depletion of the forest, what is the frequency of losing the forest? It has been estimated, it has been published. Last 4 decades, okay, it means before 4 decades, 40 years. India, according to reliable data, is losing its forest at the rate of 3.7 million acre a year. It means according to reliable data, means विश्वसनीय आंकड़ों के द्वारा, reliable मतलब means truth. Data is losing its forest at the rate of 2.7 million acres a year. 3.7 million acres 1 ईयर में क्या होता है? जंगल, फॉरेस्ट लॉस हो जाता है, खत्म हो जाता है, डेमोलिश हो जाता है. It is a matter of anxiety. But what is truth hidden behind this kind of report? It means estimate committee is far away from the reality. Let's know. Large areas officially designated as forest land are already virtually treeless. The actual loss of forest is estimated to be about 8 times the rate indicated by government statistics. It means huge areas which are nominated as forest, and that nominated forests are already without tree. There is no any kind of vegetation, plant, trees. It means some of them land are barren, bald, right? It means actual depletion, virtually treeless, actual depletion of the forest more than 8 times, right? more than 8 folded, 8 गुना instead of the government tabulation. What kind of estimate is published? What kind of tabulation, what kind of estimate is published in front of the people, public? It was not actual, it was not truth, it was not real. Reality was far and far away from that report, recent report, which was published before 4 decades by the Estimate Committee of Parliament. Right? Is there any doubt regarding this paragraph? If there is any kind of doubt, feel free to consult. You can leave a message in the comment box or in the study group. Okay? But there is need to listen carefully. Next paragraph. A 3-year study using satellites and aerial photography conducted by the United Nations warns that the environment has deteriorated so badly. It is critical in many of the 88 countries investigated. It means by the USA. किसके द्वारा? USA के द्वारा, US nation के द्वारा. With the help of drone camera, aerial photography. It is studied, it is pondered, estimated, founded the result that the circumstances of environment is very worse. Once that the environment has deteriorated so badly, it means the circumstances, the situation, the actuality of environment is very worse. That is critical. It means बहुत चिंताजनक है, बहुत विषम इस परिस्थिति में है. In many of the 88 countries investigated. 88 countries investigated, examined. After that, they revealed the result. It means all of us as being young citizens always must be ready to protect to steward our nature, environment, ecology. Right? Now, next paragraph. There can be no doubt that the growth of the world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society. There can be no doubt. It means doubtless, without any doubt. It means with the confirmation. Growing of the population is the major cause, is the strongest reason of destroying the future of human society. तीव्र गति से बढ़ती हुई जनसंख्या है, तीव्र गति से बढ़ती हुई जो जनसंख्या है, वह मानव समाज के भविष्य को नुकसान पहुंचाने का सबसे बड़ा कारण है, सबसे मुख्य कारण है. Distorting future of the society, human society. It took mankind more than 1 million years to reach the first billion. It took mankind more than 1 million. It means 1 million से अधिक जनसंख्या, more than 1 million years to reach the first billion. First billion population होने में अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 मिलियन का ड्यूरेशन लगा, 1 मिलियन ईयर का ड्यूरेशन लगा फर्स्ट बिलियन तक आपकी पॉपुलेशन कवर करने में. इट मीन्स बिलियन मीन्स 1000 मिलियन, राइट? बिलियन मीन्स 1000 मिलियन. दैट वाज द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन अराउंड द ईयर 1800. इट मीन्स around the year of 1800 it was the population. It means first billion. By the year 1900 तक a second billion was added. It means 1,000 million more added by 1900 year. Okay, and the 20th century has added another 3.7 billion. Right? By the 20th century, 3.7 billion added more. The present world population is estimated at 5.7 billion. It means as per year of 1904, the tabulation data is given here. The population is estimated at 5.7 billion. Next, every 4 days the world population increases by 1 million. Every 4 days, प्रति 4 दिन पर 1 मिलियन हमारी पॉपुलेशन क्या होती है, इंक्रीज कर जाती है, ग्रो अप करती है, बढ़ जाती है. Next thing is that for additional knowledge you can note down that the current world population, entire world's population is 777 crore. 777 crore. Okay. Now come to the next paragraph. Fertility falls as incomes rise. Education speeds and health improves. Fertility falls. Fertility means the potential power of giving the birth to children. Or you can say in another language, fertility means birth of children. बच्चों के जन्म का जो दर है, राइट, falls as incomes rise, education speeds and health improves. It means as incomes rise, as men become prosper, then fertility falls. The rate of born of the children is slow, is steady. Education speeds and health improves. Next thing, thus development is the best contraceptive. It means development is the best contraceptive. It means to control of the birth children is the best way of the development. It means जनसंख्या नियंत्रण विकास का बेहतर माध्यम है. यदि आप विकास करना चाहते हैं, हम सारे लोग विकास करना चाहते हैं, डेवलप करना चाहते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कंट्रोल पॉपुलेशन, राइट. नेक्स्ट थिंग, but development, right, but development itself may not be possible if the present increase in numbers continues. Most important thing, that the development itself may not be possible if the present increase in numbers continues. It means, but self development is not quite possible due to increase the population of, due to the increasement of continued population. It means we cannot develop anyhow we cannot develop while we are unable to stop population. Okay. It means, but self development is not quite possible if the population is going on, or if the population is under the growing condition, we can't develop, right. I hope all of you understood what is the exact sense of this paragraph, this quotation, this sense. this statement, right? Next, the rich get richer and poor beget children, which condemns them to remain poor. No doubt. Rich persons are rich. Prosper persons are prosper. They always stay as prosper as rich. But poor beget children. Poor persons always make effort to beget the children so that they stay as poor always. They are unable to think what they have to do. They are unable to create their sense. It means kinds of person are always busy in their own kinds of sense. Just you listen, and all of you are saying in your book that rich get richer. जो धनी है, जो सपने में क्या है, धनी रहते हैं. Poor beget children. It means जो गरीब को क्या करते हैं, बच्चों को पैदा करते हैं, which condemns them to remain poor. By this way, they stay poor always. इस वजह से हमेशा क्या होते हैं, गरीब रह जाते हैं. More children does not mean more workers. More children does not mean more workers. Merely more people without work. It means it is not right that more children, more boys, more girls means a lot of workers. It is not quite right. It means these are only rush. More children means more people without work. It means we are trying to make a rush. हम भीड़ बनाना चाह रहे हैं. ज्यादा बच्चों का आशय ज्यादा कार्यकर्ताओं से नहीं है, ज्यादा कामगारों से नहीं है. इसका मतलब सीधा सीधा है कि ज्यादा बच्चे बिना काम के. राइट? More children does not mean more workers, merely more people without work. बिना काम के, without task, without deed. Only they survive their life anyhow. Okay? It is not suggested that human beings be treated like cattle. It is not advised that human beings, it means mankind, are treated as cattle. Cattle means पशुओं का झुंड. means ह्यूमन बीइंग के साथ, मानव समाज के साथ, मानव सभ्यता के साथ हमें जानवरों जैसा सलूक नहीं करना चाहिए, बिहेव नहीं करना चाहिए, ट्रीट नहीं करना चाहिए. राइट? बट ह्यूमन बीइंग try to develop their sense, try to develop their creativity. They have to think about the environment, resources, biological systems. If there are many persons in a single house, all of them will use all the resources, all the natural resources. Water, grass, fisheries, crop, many things are there. So it is a matter of thinking that we must try to control the population. Cattle and compulsory sterilized. It means it is not good that human beings are treated as cattle, as animals, and make any kind of compulsion to them. But there is no alternative to voluntary family planning without introducing an element of coercion. It means, but there is no alternative to voluntary family planning without introducing an element of compulsion. Coercion. Coercion means force, compulsion, pressure. But without making any kind of force, any kind of pressure, compulsion, they can't think about this. They can't stay. Okay. I hope all of you are understood very easily what I am trying to say to you all. Next thing, the choice is really between control of population and perpetuation of poverty. Perpetuation means continue. The choice is really between control of population and perpetuation of poverty. It means there are only two things. We have to choose. Among them, between them we have to choose only one thing. Perpetuation of poverty, continuation of poverty, or stopping the population, controlling the population. It's depend upon our sense, thinking ability. If we develop our thinking ability, thinking capacity, definitely we will get success to control the population. By this way, we can make our environment, ecology system enrich, prosper. Right? I hope all of you have understood all these paragraphs very well. And in case of any doubt, any difficulties, once again I try to say to you all, don't feel hesitate while you want to ask anything. I hope you enjoyed this class. Try to utilize more and more this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.